How to cancel Microsoft Copilot Pro subscription. Want to stop your Copilot Pro subscription? Let's cancel it step by step. So first and foremost, you need to open up Microsoft account on a new tab. So enter account.microsoft.com, sign into your account. Now once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and head over into the subscriptions tab. So click on the subscription button and that will take you into the subscriptions tab. So from here, go ahead and look for Copilot Pro in the list and click Manage and then select Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm and you may choose to turn off recurring bill or cancel membership. Once confirmed, you'll receive a cancellation notice. Copilot Pro will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, and that is how to cancel Microsoft Copilot Pro subscription.